Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a flip through of this happy planner. This is the Good Habits vertical layout planner in classic size. So let's get started. First of all, let's acknowledge the cover. It is so pretty. It's black in color and it's got these gold detailing. I love how minimal it is, but it's not too plain. I just love it. These disc colors, I know a lot of people liked it, but I don't know. I didn't like it partly because this is the first time they've used this color and it needs some time for us to get used to it. I went ahead and bought another set of gold or rose gold. I'm not really sure about the color. That was the only one there, so I picked it up. I'm going to be switching these discs into that one. And when we open the planner, this is what you see, an intro page. Again, the design is so nice. I love how simple they have kept it. I usually don't like the bold colors that they use, so I'm a huge fan of this aesthetic. And then we flip to the year at a glance page. This is for 2021, this is for 2022. I love having these pages in my planner. I always flip back to these pages, refer them. It's really nice to have it. And then we move to these pages. I'm not sure what these are called, and I have no clue how I'm gonna be using this. But it's something nice to have. It's there for all the 12 months. And then we move to January. This is I think it's called the notes page. Yeah, notes page. It says January. This is the Good Habits planner. That's why it's focused towards a habit, but you can easily rename it to whatever you want to. So a goal for a month, 2 action steps that you're going to take, and also a reflection box. This is important when you're working on your goals. And then for January, it says control your destiny. And then we move to the monthly page. I love this color. I'll show you the color for February and then I'll talk you through why I love these colors so much. And then we move to the weekly page. Again, it continues with the same color. Here we have how are you making progress, this week's focus, and also the daily progress. You have 3 options here: crushed it, progress made, needs work. So that's nice. And what you can do is when you set a monthly goal right here, this might be your goal, and then every week you can further break down that goal. So that's nice. Then we have all these weekly pages for the whole month. Again, look at these details, so cute. So we have it here. And then we move to February. Oh my god, these colors, guys, I am not kidding. If you look at these 2 colors, like the peachy pink and this grayish blue, it is so close to my branding color. I am not sure if I mentioned it. I'm going to be using this planner for my business planning. I am a mindset coach as well as a tarot reader, so this would be nice to plan out my content, make a note of all the sessions and all of that. So this is the month at a glance. Again, we move on to this blue color, very similar to my brand colors. That's why I love this planner. So we continue into the weeks with the same color. And then we move to March and go back to this peach. So we alternate between these 2 colors. That's really nice. And this is my favorite dashboard, or I don't know what you call it, but I love this design. It is so pretty. Again, I think it matches the cover. Yes, it matches, but it's against a very nice peach color. March is my birthday, so what I do is whenever I buy a calendar or I buy a planner, I always look at what's there for March. Do you guys even do that? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys flip to your birthday month's calendar page or planner dashboard and have a look at that? I know that cannot be a decision making like criteria, but I do end up looking at it. So we move on to April. It says work on you, for you. And then for May, there's no better time than now. I am not kidding. Like these three colors, this blue, this pink, and this yellow, these are my brand colors. I'll insert a picture here of my branding colors and you can see how close it is. It's not the exact color, but it's really close. Good things are coming. I love this color as well. It's very chic. And for July, it's make happiness a habit. August, this is your year. September, be loyal to your future. I love this quote. I always believe that your present self should take care of your future self. So that's nice. And there is power in kindness. True. November. Oh, this is very like glitzy. This is the first time I'm looking at this. It's completely in like gold. And December, motivation is what gets you started. Habits is what keeps you going. Very true. I love this. And then in the end, we have one notes page. So this is nice to put on your yearly goals or something like that. I really liked it. And also we can add some more notes pages. I wish they had matching notes pages like in an accessory pack or something. That would have been nice. Again, the inside cover, I love how simple and minimal it is. And then at the back, oops. I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna take that off camera, but at the back we don't have any gold detailing, but that's fine. You hardly ever look at it. This is the Good Habits Happy Planner. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.